Hello everyone, thank you for joining me and thank you to those of you who are new to the channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I love hearing from all of you. Today we are making a banoffee marshmallow cake. To begin with, we need 165 grams of butter. I would recommend softening that slightly with 165 grams of soft light brown or light brown muscovado sugar. We're then going to beat that until slightly pale in colour. Then in a separate bowl we will be sifting together some dry ingredients. We've got 375 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. We then need 4 large eggs. One at a time we're going to beat that into our wet mix with 1 tablespoon of our dry mix. We'll then be adding 4 tablespoons of milk and the rest of your dry mix. Mix it together until it's well combined and you're happy with it. You will also need 2 large bananas and add that in there as well. Again, make sure you're happy it's all mixed through properly. We need to grease and line the bottom of a round 21cm loose bottom cake tin. And then your cake mix will be going in there. It's going in the oven at 190 degrees. It says for 45 to 50 minutes. I think mine ended up being in for about 35, so just keep an eye on it. We are then going to make our filling. We need 300 ml of double cream, 1 banana, and 50 grams of marshmallows chopped. And then for the center, we also need a 450 gram jar of dulce de leche sauce. You can use caramel sauce if you need to. I did find on Amazon, I think it was £2.50 for the dulce de leche if you want that one. So we are whipping our cream until it forms stiff peaks, and then it says to chop your banana into small pieces. My banana was quite ripe, so I just mashed it. And like I say, you need to chop your marshmallows. I have mini marshmallows, so I just cut them each into 3. That took forever though. To assemble the cake, it does want you to cut it horizontally into 3 layers. I can't cut straight as it is, so I just very badly did mine in half. So don't judge, I'm sure yours look so much better. You then need to layer it with the dulce de leche, then half of your cream mix. Put the second layer on and then repeat, and when you get to your top you're going to completely cover it in the dulce de leche and save some of your marshmallows for a decoration. To be honest, this cake was quite a mess, but once it had been in the fridge overnight it had set a bit and it was a lot easier to cut. This is a great birthday cake kind of option, and it was so nice. It's really sweet, but it is really nice, so I definitely recommend it. Let me know how you get on. As always, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.